think our night's over. Alright, been running around today, grab some flapper discs, time to get some Starbucks. Alright, Starbucks acquired. Very happy man now. So, guess I'll see y'all back at the house. Let's go teleport in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, hey, we teleported. And somehow I got a shave, that was kind of cool. But anyway, so unfortunate circumstances. I thought we had a race this Friday, which we were going to, but Mother Nature decided that we weren't going to have a race. So instead, we have a practice night tonight. And even though we don't have a race, we can still go and figure out some stuff on the car and make it faster. So that's what we're going to try to do. So right now, we got to get those tires on my car and get my car loaded up in the enclosed. And yeah, let's get it done and go have a practice night. Go drive a race car. And don't ask me why I decided to wear white today. I couldn't tell you myself, so got a feeling this thing's gonna need some shout after tonight. You know, I'm just full of complaints today, and I really don't know why. It's a great day. I get to go drive a race car. Go do what I love. I don't really have much to complain about, other than the weather, because we don't get to race tomorrow. But hey, it is what it is. You never know what might be going on. God might have a plan for something. You just gotta roll with it. God always has a plan. Just gotta trust in Him. Trust that He has a plan. He knows what He's doing. And following His will, you'll be good to go. All right, so I'm gonna put the body bolts on, and this car will be ready to roll. So I'll see you in 3, 2, 1. Man, I could get used to this teleportation transitioning stuff. This is nice. The body bolts are all in the car. Car's wiped down with glass cleaner. It's all clean. So I guess the only step is to load the trailer and load the car in the trailer. So let's get that done. So I don't know what's going on right now. We can drive, but when we kick it in reverse, it goes about 6 inches and then just stops, just completely locks up. So we're gonna go put it over there and try to figure it out, because we really need this practice in tonight. So see what we can figure out. Yes, I know my hair's a mess, leave me alone. But after like 45 minutes of messing with it, check this out, y'all ain't gonna believe this. So I got it loosened up, but the brake caliper was like that. Oh geez, all right, the bolt fell out. The bolt that goes right there. For some reason it's not tack welded on there, but we'll deal with that. We'll get a bolt back in it and we should be good to go. So see y'all in just a second. All right, we got everything put back together. Yes, I took out the drive shaft. I didn't know what was wrong. So moment of truth, let's see if she rolls. Oh, I see some movement. Oh yeah, that's legendary. Now let's get the car loaded up. All right, the car's loaded up. Everything else is loaded up. So all that's left now is let's head to the track. We'll see y'all there. All right, so we have made it to Texarkana 67 Speedway for tonight for practice. Got the car unloaded, got everything how it needs to be, and hopefully it's gonna make some laps. I'm gonna mount some GoPros in the car so y'all can ride along with me and see what I see. So let's see it. This sucks a lot. Turned a pretty decent lap there, but going down the straight, y'all saw it, just sputtered and quit. And then I got it back here, and I had help from Mr. Cody and Mr. Frank, and they think it's the distributor module, and I don't think there's anybody here with one, so I'll keep y'all updated, but I think our night's over. Alright, so we found a distributor module. We figured that's what it was, but it didn't work. The guy said that it might work, it might not. So we tried it, it didn't work, so we're just gonna search around for another one, and if we find one, great. If not, it's no big deal. Load up and head on home, but we'll keep y'all in the loop. We got it to fire! Let's go! It was the module. The other module was bad, so let's go make some laps. For some reason, I'm like super tight, and all my pressures are correct, so I'm gonna play with it, and I'm gonna go out one more time, see what I can't figure out. But the car feels good. I'm glad that we got that distributor problem fixed, or it was gonna be a short video basically. So yeah, let's change some pressures, and I guess let's go out again. Started, let it cool down. I think I got to like 215-ish on temp. So I got to start it and let it cool off a little bit before I put it in this trailer. We're all loaded up. Let's go home. Gotta make a pit stop for some diesel. Oof. This is so annoying. We got the goods. We got diesel. Now let's go fill her up. Right. The thirsty girl is ready to roll. All right, so we're home, but let's time travel to tomorrow, and I'll show you exactly what we broke on the race car. You ready? What up? It's the next day. It is currently raining cats and dogs outside, so yeah, no wash day today. But anyway, this is what we broke yesterday. I want to show you all this. So this is the distributor module. This little piece right here kept the car from running. It's crazy that we found one of these. This is a brand new one. So the one that we found is a lot older than that, but hey, it worked, so it's great. So until next time, we'll see y'all.